Create sharp, professional edges around your yard with a landscape edger. We'll show you how to use it the right way to get defined lines every time. Before using your edger, check that safety guards are secure and the area is clear of people, especially kids and pets. Wear safety glasses, work gloves, and hearing protection, and ensure the blade doesn't touch hard surfaces or utility lines. Start by inspecting the line, blade, and cutting wheel of the edger. Replace any damaged or worn parts as needed. Then, place the edger near your starting point. To get an even cut, make sure the wheels of the edger are on a smooth surface whenever possible. Set the depth control at the shallowest setting to begin. Hard or clay soil needs a shallow cut first, especially if the grass is thick. Start your edger and slowly guide it along your desired path. Keep the blade close to, but not touching, any concrete or hard surfaces. After you've cut a line, you can increase to a deeper setting and go over the edge again for a more defined boundary. When you're finished, release the blade control or press the stop button to shut the tool down. Always let the edger cool before handling further. Before you store your edger, use a brush to remove grass clippings and debris from the unit. Never spray your edger with water or cleaners. Moisture can damage components and shorten tool life. A well-kept lawn starts with the right gear. Shop at Lowe's for garden tools and accessories to keep your yard looking its best.